Bagmare Social Group Foundation Bijapur and B News Nation presents free eye checkup and operation camp. On Sunday, 13th July 2017, time 9 am to 3 pm at Government Urdu School number 4, Sakafroza, Bijapur. Organizer Mr. Shakil N. Bagmare. Eye checking and operation by Dr. Prabhugoda Patil, BL Chabnur. For more details, contact Sohel Bagmare, mobile number 8884440065, Saddam Bagmare 7353 4x765, Abid Sheikh 9341 611 026, Mukhtiar Tamdaddi 9902 746 999, Ali Khan 9945 290 878, Saeed Lahori 9900 29 1868.